So let's grab it, move it up here where we can look at it. I did notice the cord. It looks like they got kinked, they shorted out, and it burnt itself up. So essentially, all I have to do is take this handle off, bring this cord back up inside, and rehook it to the trigger to get it to work again. Let's go ahead and take care of that right now, see how hard it actually is. Thankfully, that was quick and painless. I got it running again, and that is good news because I need it and I don't want to buy another one.